Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Then for returning subscribers, thank you very much for watching, thank you very much for liking, thank you very much for commenting, thank you very much for sharing. I'm super excited. Thank you very much. Okay, so today I decided to deep condition my hair. And this time I didn't want to do it alone. I chose to go to the salon. So I'm gonna drop the video right after now, so you see the process. It's not much of processes. I think I've only used egg, yeah, just egg and oil, essential oil, like 2 essential oils, and then moisturized my hair, deep conditioned my hair, and stayed for about 45 minutes and washed it off. It. You won't know one thing I've noticed about the hair. When I deep condition my hair, the hair feels very softer, a lot more manageable. So I can comb through the hair, I can pat it, I can style the hair, I can do whatever I want to do with the hair. But when you leave it for a couple of weeks, months without deep conditioning or moisturizing the hair, my dear, you're damaging your own mane. You're damaging your natural hair. So please Do well to deep condition your hair maybe twice in a month, thrice in a month. If you can do it weekly, fine. But if you don't have that time, that much luxury of time, so you could do it twice in a month, 3 times in a month, that's fine for you to keep your hair this healthy. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.